Want to create eye-catching Instagram posts without hiring a designer? Canva makes it easy to create professional graphics for your brand, business, or personal account. Even if you're a complete beginner, you can design amazing posts in just a few minutes. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to create Instagram posts in Canva in 2026. First, sign into Canva and use the search bar to look for Instagram post templates. Canva automatically sets the correct dimensions, so your designs are ready for Instagram right away. Next, browse through the available templates and select one that matches your style or content. Remember, every element in the template can be customized. Replace the sample text with your own message and adjust the fonts and colors to match your brand. Keeping your design consistent can help build a recognizable style. Upload your own photos or explore Canva's library of images, icons, and elements. Visuals play a huge role in making your posts stand out. Before exporting, review your design carefully. Check spacing, alignment, and readability to make sure everything looks polished. When you're happy with your post, click Download and choose PNG for high-quality images. Then upload the finished design directly to Instagram, and that's how to create Instagram posts in Canva. With templates, graphics, and easy editing tools, you can create professional-looking content in minutes. So experiment with different styles and find what works best for your audience. Thanks for watching.